Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix unable to verify app and internet connection is required. So guys, if you're facing this problem on your iPhone, you will have to watch this video till the end to fix this problem. So guys, here I will give you some possible solution to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to this problem is that you will have to use your mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi. So guys, turn off your Wi-Fi and then use your mobile data and try if your problem is fixed or not. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to turn off or disconnect all the connected VPNs on your device. So guys, open settings on your device, scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below, tap on device management, VPN and device management. So guys, from here you will have to disconnect all the connected VPNs on your device. So guys, go for the other solution, that is you will have to make it sure that the app which you are trying is approved by the Apple Store and it is not harmful for your device. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is you will have to check your software updates on your device. So guys, open settings and then again tap on general and then tap on software update. So guys, from here you will have to update your software to the latest version of iOS. So guys, after this, go for the other solution, that is delete the app and reinstall it. So guys, open setting again and then tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, open that app. From here, like I am opening my WhatsApp. So guys, from here you will have to delete that app and then you will have to reinstall that app to fix this problem. So guys, after this, go for the other and final solution, that is you will have to contact Apple Support on your iPhone. So guys, open Safari, search here for support.apple.com. Here it is. Then select your device, scroll it below. So guys, here you see the option get support. So guys, from here you can get support from the Apple authorities and they will help you to fix this problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have liked this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.